Hi, it's John again. Got this through the door a couple of days ago, so I thought I'd unwrap it, seeing as it's the Christmas period. So let's see what we got. Well, as you can see, it's Commodore 64. Shift that out of the way. This has come from eBay, a retro marquee. He's custom built a Commodore 64, and if the pictures have anything to go by, there you go, one black Commodore 64. So we'll bring it out and we'll have a look. There we go. So, black Commodore 64. It's got a green light on it, and to be honest, it looks like a Commodore 16 box. So let's have a... Yep, there you go. Commodore 16 box. So, now Commodore 16 box is a different type of box and different template, so let's have a look. Oh, here we go. So he's retrofitted the back of the 64, so he's made the expansion port a little bit wider, and he's also made a hole for the RF cable. The C16 has a round tape connector, so he's made a hole for that, and he's made a hole for the user port because the 16 doesn't have one. Very clever. Label's a little bit bumpy, but I can live with that. Shall we see what see how it works? Right, when I'm back, I'll be plugged into the TV. Hi, back again. As you can see, I've got it wired up and plugged into the TV, so I'm just about to switch it on. Oh, nice green light. Right, so I switched it on. Very nice picture. So we'll see what the C64 doctor has to say. So turn it off. So we have this called a C64 diagnostic computer. So we'll see if it passes all the tests. Well, the cartridge went in. Serial connector went in. Here's the tape connector. Ooh. Oh. Problem is, the user port here is not wide enough, so I'll have to do a little bit of case manipulation when I've come off. So I can't put it in, so we can't get the cartridge to test that user port. But we'll switch it on and let's see what it comes up with. So as you can see, it's come up with a keyboard test, so let's run through it. Right, it's not bad. That's every one of them. Cool. I ain't got the joystick plugs in, so we'll now see what it comes up with. So we know the user port's not going to work because we haven't got the feedback loop in, but everything seems to be fine. We've just got a little bit of colour leakage. That's not too bad. Cool. So one dark light Commodore 64. Cool. Thank you, Retro Marky. It's a nice machine. And I'll see you soon.